In this video, we'll show you how to disable High Precision Event Timer, HPT, on Windows. The first method is disabling it through the Device Manager in Windows. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand the System Devices section. Find and disable High Precision Event Timer from the list. Restart your computer. As you can see, this feature is automatically re-enabled after the restart. Therefore, to completely turn it off, we need to use the second method. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. Run this command to disable the feature. If an error occurs, run this alternative command to disable it. Run this command to check the configuration. Additionally, go back to Device Manager and disable HPET under System Devices. As you can see, HPET is now completely disabled, even after restarting the computer. In case you want to re-enable it, let's change the value to true and re-enable it from the Device Manager. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.